Hi everyone, today we're going to be solving linear equations. I've got two examples to go through. So the first one on the left, 3m plus 5 equals 14. The whole purpose of solving a linear equation is to get the variable by itself. In this case we've got m, so our final answer, I'll write it up here, is going to look like, where's my pen? It's going to look like m equals something. So that's how we want our answer to look. So if I've got 3m plus 5 equals 14, I want to try and move that 5, the positive 5, to the other side of the equation. And we do that by using the inverse operation. So the inverse of plus is subtract. So we're going to subtract 5 from both sides. So I'm going to have 3m plus 5 minus 5 equals 14 minus 5. 3m plus 5 minus 5, well, these two just cancel out like this. So we're just left with 3m equals 14 minus 5 is 9. Now we're going to divide both sides by 3, and again we want to do that so we get m by itself. So the left hand side divided by 3 and the right hand side divided by 3. On this left hand side, 3 divided by 3 is just going to leave, well, 3m divided by 3 is just going to leave m. And 9 divided by 3 is 3. So we have solved this first equation. M is equal to 3. Okay, second one. Let's have a look. We've got 5m plus 6, all divided by 3 equals 4. Again, we want to isolate the m, so we want our final answer to be m equals something. So we're going to look now at the thing that is furthest away from the m. So what I mean by that is we've got a divider by 3 on the left hand side. So we're going to do the inverse of divide by 3, which is multiply by 3 to both sides. So on this left hand side, we're going to be left with 5m plus 6 equals, on the right hand side, 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, now we've got a plus 6 and we want to do the opposite of that, the inverse of that. So we're going to subtract 6 from both sides. So 5m equals 12 minus 6 is 6. Now we want to divide both sides by 5. So 5m divided by 5 is just m, and we can have 6 over 5 over here as a fraction, and we could kind of simplify this one further. 6 divided by 5 gives an answer of 1.2. So either one would be acceptable, the fraction or the decimal. In this case we'll write the decimal because it's a nice and neat decimal. So I hope that helps.